What's going on, Limited family? You already know what it's hitting for reaction videos. So I had to hit y'all with another one. This one says, "Damn nature, you crazy, insane animal, flaws. So we back at it again. Don't forget, subscribe. Hit that bell so you know when all the videos are uploaded. And make sure y'all leave a like. Just smash that like button for me. One time. Just smash the like button, man. Enough talking. Let's get back at it. Oh.
Sí. Amor. ¡No! Amor. Venga, no, vente para acá ya. Porque ya está venciendo la ventana.
Hey, look, I got bears up my way and they ain't no joke.
And I'm still looking for a perfect sniff.
Oh.
Sniff. Oh my god.
Get the snake, Get it. Yes!
Please don't hurt me, please don't hurt me.
Oh. Oh. Them bears ain't no joke. Damn. Yo, Jordan ain't got nothing on, bro. She gonna need a big ass shot. Needle for that one. Oh.
I'm gonna punch your head in. Look at my dog. Hachi, I'm feeling so tough now. How you doing? Where were you to save him? And you?
Oh. I'm not playing with that. He could jump that. Yeah, exactly. He jumping that. What the hell wrong with y'all? Yo, that's cool. Yo, that is cool. It's a whole bunch of them too. Yeah, he ready. He about to put everything into that bite.
Hey, hey, you're working, hey, sit, cushy, cushy, right.
No barking. No barking. My man then came in 3 days later. Oh.
If anyone was wondering. Oh, there you go.
Tiểu lắm, nó có hợp.
He's stuck in the recycling bin and he gonna kick it. Open the damn lid. He like, nah, bro, I ain't coming in. You got my cousin up on the wall. Yo, he was huge too. That fist was huge. Smack. Look how big that boy is. Good Lord. Yo!
I got it this time. I got it this time. Oh my God.
I'm about to say you gotta get it off the wall and twist it then. What is it?
What? Yeah, run. Oh, he did come at you! God. Whoa!
Alright, I'm gonna tell y'all a story time about these skunks, right? Me and my wife was staying outside. It was late night, and this skunk came and she kept saying, "Don't run." But me, I definitely ran. I do not play with skunks. I will definitely run. Oh man, my cat got sprayed in the face one time. Skunks are nothing to play with.
Jesus Christ almighty.
Man, there's some beautiful birds. Oh, they was trying to get him. They like opened the door up, the window.
Player, can you please stop chewing my wall?
What is
I know
that?
you want it. Okay, I know you want it, but buddy, you put a hole in it.
I don't know what that was. Everybody can see these. My man got a spike bat. What is? Oh.
Hello. This is one of those kill it with fire moments. We'll just close him back up.
Oh, monitor. That boy chasing the cat. Damn.
Whoa! Oh my!
Yo, there's a bear on the roof. Otters in there with a monitor.
He just came in.
Oh my
He's
God.
washing his hands with the soap. He's washing his hands with the soap. He's using the soap to wash his hands.
I think it went down your shirt. You don't feel it?
Really? You don't see it fire?
Oh, it's under your collar. No. Like right there, right there.
Nah. I used to keep a whole bunch of tarantulas too. I had like 50 of them.
Whoever come this lane, go somewhere else. Please, okay? Remember that? Okay. Goodbye. Oh,
Right back. Oh, right on his back. He said, "You're mine. I'm marking you."
Ay, Dios mío. Ay. Ay. Salgan, salgan.
Oh, they're going right towards people.
It's gonna go back.
I don't care, his mom's in here. Ouch!
My man chilling. They got beer. What is it? What is that?
You are so cute. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it, buddy.
Right at us, oh my.
Yo, nah, I'd have dropped that pole right in the water. Yeah, right. Not using that pole. They both scared each other.
Pero si le ahorita le entras a uno y saca la
Look like he missing bottom teeth too already. Or he coming in. Might be a puppy. It's gotta be a snake. No, that's not. Ew, what is that? That shit giving me the creepies.
And when he's going through the whole entire thing, he's going through.
Straight thief. He trying to rob her for a pocketbook. Yo, what was that? Yo.
Bro, let me go.
That shit funny when it's not happening to you. Damn, that was a stiff jab.
Me.
Oh my gosh.
That's just gross. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Well,
He's gonna scratch my foot. He's gonna scratch my foot. Oh! Oh my god!
Buffalo just.
No, go ahead, McKenna, that's me. A ver. Ay, joder.
¡Eh! ¡Las llamas! ¡Otra las llamas! ¡Las llamas! Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
Cut that line.
Oh no, they're shut in there? No! Oh, honeys. That's not a toy!
Oh, yep, no, he'll take it. Get it, get the paddle.
He trying to take your food. What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, beaver. Oh, snap. Territorial. You're in my territory, buddy. Oh, stare down.
Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Oh, snap.
Right, it stinks. Get it off of me. No. No. I said no. Skylar! It stinks.
Big catfish.
Woo-hoo. We
My
eating.
biggest catfish.
Where?
Oh, it's gotta be. Getting them off the bottom's a little bit tough.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yep. That's a big catfish.
Not a catfish.
Holy. Oh my god. Oh, my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, they drooling all in that joint. Look at that one tooth, sweet tooth.
This is James from the Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis. And we got a bee swarm on a car. Check that out.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, мой дорогой. Чё ты, как дела? Как?
Oh, he spit right in his face.
On. He's f***ing on. Oh, he's gonna go off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, he's
I don't know what he did. Oh, he better get tore up.
That's not funny though.
Ya salió, cuidado. Cheese, dang it.
You better not take my backpack. You gonna eat the bowl?
Oh man, that look like a hunt. Oh man. Oh, good shit.
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te
Oh,
lo
got a
quitas,
whole
hombre.
squid octopus on his
Ahí
back.
se te va a coger todo.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, how did he? And that's ants. Yo, that's crazy.
Big old tortoise.
Snap.
That's my finger. Hey, you can't steal the plate, dude.
That's good fun.
He's too tired. This is your fault. I blame Tyler.
Mm-mm. That's crazy.
Damn snake. Right on top. Whoa. That's not a python.
Nah, that definitely no python.
No, I can't see his head. That's not a python. Tem que filmar ele andando com a faca.
My boy got a knife.
Ei, esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele alemã. A gente foi matar ele, ele tomou a faca e tá ameaçando todo mundo.
That's the time they get along if they've grown up together.
He usually have his fingernails.
Usually. But they have to be the same size.
No.
Never. Never. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
What does that mean?
That means I'm dominant. I'm better. I'm better than you, and I'm dominant, and you better not come near me.
That's a challenge. Oh my gosh, don't be scaring me.
I definitely owned a couple of them at one point. What was that? It smacked me on the butt. Out of Unlimited family, there you go, man. Insane animals, man. Damn nature, you crazy. Make sure, man, y'all not subscribed to hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all leave a like. And make sure y'all get that bell hit so y'all know when I upload these new videos. And make sure y'all go check out What's in the Tub Tuesday. Every Tuesday, new episodes. We are out.